Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you yet another VS Code extension for AI coding development, and it's called as Fitten code. If you go to the extensions tab, just search for this. It's got almost 600,000 installs. It's similar to GitHub Copilot, Claude, and Cursor like tools. And this is their official website as well, fitentech.com. It's a Chinese-based AI code assistant. As you can see, this website is in Chinese. And now to install this, simply click the install button. And as you install this on the sidebar section, it will appear. So simply activate this. After activating this, it will be simply you click that option right here, start chat. And first of all, you can even try this in the browser as well by clicking this option. So it's also available to check. And then you just need to sign up using your Google or GitHub account. So just right here in this. So the main problem is that the website is in Chinese, so it is difficult to understand what is written right here. So, but you simply click on the login button right here to sign up. Don't know why it is not working. This button, try in browser. So yeah, this is the interface here. You'll see Fitten, fast, accurate, efficient, and safe AI code assistant. And the pricing, if you see in the free plan, you get real-time line functional code generation. All these features you get. The pro plan start like this. You can even chat with image, online search, project-wide chat, all these things. So also provides you with the web demo as well. So you can try this completely free right in at this address code.fitentech.com/try. So right here you select the whatever programming language you are working right here. So let's suppose I say JavaScript, and right in the chat prompt right here I just need to enter whatever task. So I say that build a image to PDF. So right here, as I ask the question, it is generating the response for me. So there is an option here which will insert and automatically also show the live preview of the application as well. So as you can see, here you can change the model here. By default, it's using the default LLM, but you can even change this to Deepseek. So here you select the images, click on convert to PDF. So in this easy way, you can copy to clipboard as well and simply paste this code right here. You also get the download button as well. So right here you can even try this by signing it with your Google account. Simply select and simply just log in it. After logging in, you will get the success message, and now this will be activated. So right here, either you can chat or inside the agent mode. So right here, you will write the task here. So I basically written this prompt: build an image to PDF web app, create a file in my working directory. So now it will actually create this file. So already a file is present here if you see. So it is automatically detecting it. So in this easy way, you can actually, so it will create a file called as science.html in the current working directory. So as you can see, it is creating this file. So that file will automatically get created. So just wait for this process to finish. So you also get code completions as well. So if you write any sort of code right here, if you will see it is suggesting you code automatically. Just press the tab key to accept the suggestions which are coming. So in this easy way, it supports all the languages as well. So definitely try this extension, uh, Fitten code. It's using Deepseek and similar to ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Claude, and Cursor. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.